What could you tell Mama? My today's bread.
Mama.
Hey, Mama.
Mama.
Ogini.
Mama. Mama, it's that dream. That same dream. Hey.
That same dream?
Yes, Mama. Mama, this time it was so real. So real, Mama. He was so close to me. Mama was holding me. Njideya. Chidosie yike. Hey, Mama. I forgot to tell you. We were even on our wedding regalia. Mama, we just got married.
Wedding?
Yes. Mama.
Confirmation.
Verified.
Oh, Bayego.
Sister, see? I can't wait for this to come to pass, Mama. I can't wait. Hey, Mama, listen. I can't wait for this to come to pass.
Whether devil likes it or not, it must surely come to pass.
Amen.
Go.
Amen, Mama. Hi. Mama, wedding color. We need to plan. You get your red blouse.
Yes.
That's your gold gele. You buy everywhere, Mama.
Because why you? I'm feeling it already.
Hi.
We are forgetting something very important here.
What is it?
My high heels.
Hi! Mama!
I don't look almost a highway.
Mama! Oh!
What? Mama? We are supposed to start rehearsing by now. What are you meaning?
I'm behind you.
Oh.
Mama of the day.
I can imagine.
Hey, Mama.
Oh, Dalu.
Hey, Mama. Oh, no, Dalu. Hey, you're welcome, everybody. Thank you. Oh, my God.
Mama, get you.
Mama. Mbano. I'm getting married to a prestigious man. A rich man.
You're correct.
What you'll be saying is, Your Highnesses, distinguished ladies and Mama,
we are highly moved.
Welcome. Start fanning me. Mama, to my fat, ngwa. They were no.
Cham. What you could take it time where come. That day, almost a highway.
Hey,
Sometimes we're in the middle of our destiny before knowing it has begun. Thank your stars, shining so bright, bright like the diamonds. The man you see in your dreams has been destined for you.
Confirmation.
Your husband to be, he is. Yes, he has been destined to lift you and your family from your point of vicinity to the greatest and highest point of vicinity in the society. A man with a good heart.
Mama.
A distinguished and prominent personality in the society he is.
Sorry.
Mama.
Please forgive me.
Mama, my ear. I'm not hearing well.
You heard him.
What did he say? Did you hear that? Distinguished, prominent man in the society.
Confirmation.
Next governor. Governor of this state. Mama, prominent, distinguished.
Onye melum. Hey, Akwam. There's a government house.
Hey!
There's a number Wesley. Then the governor.
Hi! Don't shout.
Okay.
Calm down.
Oh.
Thank you, sir.
Caution. Caution you must apply, not to mistake the crown for an ordinary cap when it's home. In a fortnight, your husband-to-be would locate you wherever you are.
One, 3, 4. Ochaja.
4 nights. Hollandia, Land Rover.
Please, we are sorry, please.
Sorry, sir.
Guard him as soon as he comes. Protect his interests. Nurture him with whatever you can, just the way you nurture your own interests. Else, it slips off.
Huh? Mama, Biko. It's guard him, protect his interest, and nurture him. No, Mama, that one will not be lenjo. I hear will aradite. Machikol everywhere. Hi,
Dalu, sir.
No problem.
Some others have it. They know they have it. One way or the other, it slipped off their hands due to carelessness and insensitivity to the sensitive things that matters most. Your destiny has begun a long time ago. It is written on your palms. And now it lies in your hands. Utilize it and see how you would rejoice forever, and your names will be secured in a very good place in the book of history.
Biko, Udebezia, Biko. It's okay. Please. Biko, something is about to happen. Biko, after meeting here. Biko, permit me to scream. Permit me Hey, you can allow Nemo. Okogo, my in-law. Ogo Puchioni. Oh, Mom. I know the feeling. Oh, never. Mama. No. Mama, you're still sleeping. Oh, I hate to go on and Ne. Nemo.
Hey, look at my Prince Charming.
I know.
The love of my life. When will he come? I can't wait for him to come back. You know, this sleep. Hi. This sleep is the most wonderful, awesome. In fact, I know it is the best sleep of my life.
I know.
I just wish I could sleep and sleep and sleep all through until the day he comes. Hi. Okay. Mama, just never do mad.
I know. You don't need to say it.
Hi, Mama.
You don't need to say it.
Hi.
Popo.
My daughter, no matter where you go, no matter what you do, do not forget where you came from. Don't forget your background. And do not forget those morals that you were taught when you were growing up. Don't forget, you have a grandman in the village. And don't forget your handsome son, whom you gave birth to, and everybody called you wayward. I believed you when you said you were raped by an unknown man. It doesn't matter what people say about you. I know you are good. And I know your heart is good. My daughter, I want you to know that your future is not tied to any man. Having a child outside wedlock does not mean you do not have a bright future. My daughter, it shall be well. I'm not saying this for you to be sad. I am not saying it to upset you. But I want you to believe in Chokike, for he's the only one that can guide you. The battle is not yours, my daughter, but for Chokike to fight. Well, you have to go and stay with your stepmother and your stepsister. They are family. And you need to stay with your paternal people. They are the ones that will take care of you. And that is where you belong. Well, my daughter, just believe in yourself. And don't forget your background, for that is what would guide you. But remember, you have a grandmother that will keep praying for you. I will keep praying for you. The battle ahead, it's a tough one, but at the end, you shall triumph. Let's not allow the mood to make us sad or make us cry. I am going to sing you a song, and you're going to answer, Dolima, my Dolima. I want to see a smile on your face. After the rain comes, my Dolima, my Dolima. My Akwekende velo na funo zuro. Akwekende velo na.
You came to marry. You escorted your friend. With your plenty punk. Punk that you did not buy. You didn't know the punk is not even complete. You want to come and ask for a commerce hand in marriage. Chelenu, just wait for my mother to come. What's happening? What's it?
Mazi, we only came to ask for Akwanwa's hand in marriage. And this is what we got. Her mother poured water on us.
Hey. Mbokwesiri. When will she stop? When will this woman...
Uncle, she has not even started. You were thought when you came, your shirt was standing. When you start, they poured you water, everything has melted. You came to ask for Akwanwa's hand in marriage, dressed like a pastor. It was Jesus PRO. See your shirt. You wore big shirt with your friend with punk. People came to marry. You want to marry with? You are lucky that she bought you code. The next time that she comes out, you see what she gives you. Your shoe, plenty color of shoe. You came to marry Akwanwa. You don't know your size. Eh? You don't know your size.
What is it? Mbokwesiri.
Uwakwe, ogene.
Nkemo. Nkem delim. Hey! Nekwana mwata no gonna give me. How about that carbon copy? Oh, you're welcome once again, my daughter.
Thank you, Dad.
No.
Thank you.
Don't mind us. I mean, what happened out there? Don't mind the corner. Oh, our only two way of binding and casting demons in human forms. Wolves in sheep's clothing. Oh, I am not joking, no. Hey! Demons will dress in human form, walking along the road. There's a mistake. Was there any encounter with them? Your own. You're gone. Fiam! But trust me, Mama, I can never be taken unaware. From where? From which direction to which direction? But not possible. More about the way Jenga. You cannot take me unaware. Because I know I'm not also in Kano. I can't. I oh, dear. Oh, the president. Mama, this open it is still there, very intact. Wow. You know what? I am happy that you finally decided to come back to your father's house. Eh? Home sweet home.
There's no place like home.
Exactly. Eh? At least you'll be helping her out with domestic chores. Yes. Especially now that we are waiting for our billionaire visitor. Hey! One in all. I have to let her know.
What is it?
Hey! You're welcome.
Thank you.
No.
Thank you, Ma.
Hey. You know what? Your late mother and I grew up together. We're very close. More than friends. The bond was so strong. The reason she accepted to marry my husband, to bear him a child, when he was threatening to marry another woman because of my childlessness. But fortunately, we took in the same time and gave birth to the two of you. Though your mother died after giving birth to you. Izioyim. The difference between your mother and I was that your mother was so calm. Onyudo, very peaceful woman. And I'm just the opposite.
You want him by all means. They crack mouth up and down. They carry yourself like safe, yet you no get packaging, no home training. Better think twice. I want him all around, a worry since your sorrow. I don't want to area. Your own way got pride will never pay you.
Diane?
I think Brother Harry has traveled.
Excuse me? And what is this? What is the meaning of this poetic recitation? He's gone on a journey in search of who? Himself? Was Harry missing or something? Is this a Shakespeare verse?
Honestly, Mom, I'm as confused as you are right now.
Why would your brother do a thing like this at this point in time? Traveling without informing anybody. Diane? Did he pre-inform you about this?
Not at all, Mom. I'm seriously confused as you are.
You want him by all means. They drag mouth up and down. They carry yourself like safe, yet you no get packaging, no home training. Better think twice. I want him all around, a worry since your sorrow. I don't want to share. Your own way got pride will never pay you.
What do you think about my looks? Do you think anyone is going to recognize me on this? Do you even think we're going to succeed on this mission?
Yes, no.
Yes, no. What are you talking about?
Ordinarily, no one could. But it takes someone who can see a real diamond and recognize it and see through it.
Sounds deep. So how long before we get to where we're headed?
Still far. Obwete community is still far. But it takes someone, it will take us a little time to get there, where you need to see people who are...
Okay, what are you waiting for? Just step on the throttle. It's enough of the English. Step on it.
Okay.
I don't have time.
Okay.
You want him by all means. They drag mouth up and down. They carry yourself like safe, yet you no get packaging, no home training. Better think twice. I want him all around, a worry since your sorrow. I don't want to share. Your own way got pride will never pay you. Your own my daughter, full of threats and
Destiny, destiny.
Thank you. So, my brother left. Gone on a journey. Sure you're okay?
Of course I'm fine. But I'm sorry to ask. Did you say your brother went on a journey? I mean, like he traveled?
Oh yeah, he traveled. He left this morning. Not quite long, I presume.
Sorry, I don't want it to seem like I'm prying. I'm only just concerned. You know, your brother, when is he returning? In 5 minutes? 10? 15? 20? Is he coming back today?
Well, from the message he dropped, I don't think he's coming back anytime soon.
What?
It might take him weeks, months, depends. But don't worry. When my brother returns, I will let him know that one of his numerous fans dropped by. Oh yeah, lest I forget. I want to thank you once again for your tremendous help that very first day we met. I mean, do not hesitate to give me a call anytime you want to drop by. You are family now. Come on, drink up. Alright, drink up.
I'm sorry. I know I shouldn't be asking, but you mean your brother traveled and you're not sure of when he's coming back?
Oh, I doubt if he is. You probably would have met him if you had come a bit earlier than this. But don't worry. Like I told you, when my brother returns, I will let him know that one of his numerous fans dropped by to see him. Or should I say one of his secret admirers? You know, my brother has a lot of women, like thousands of women flocking around him. I just pray he makes the right choice. I'll probably return home with the one he wants to make his wife. Time is no longer on his side. Don't you think so?
Are you okay? Are you hurt? No. I'm fine.
no one can stop destiny.
What will be, will be.
No one can ever challenge God.
What will be, will be.
Whatever he says must stand.
What will be, will be.
Aquaman, you didn't go again.
you okay? About the accident scene. We give God all the glory that nothing happened to you, my sister. You know, I ran to their aid, and by the time I turned, I didn't see you again. My sister, I was there and I saw it how it happened. Do you know it was you the car was trying to dodge before they had that accident that almost claimed their lives? I mean, the two of them. Though you were upset, I was expecting that you'd be the first person to run to their aid, at least to save them from the hands of death. Anyways, not to worry. You still have the privilege to render that act of love because one of them is here at our backyard. Yes, they both survived, two of them. You know, I had to take them to the hospital. But the one here, his condition is better than the other one. You know, and his continuous stay in the hospital is making him more sick. And I don't have enough money to cater for the two of them. Neither could I get any information from him. So I decided to bring him here. My sister, please, I just need you to do one thing for me. Just stay with him. Talk with him, you know, play with him. Laugh, just do something. Just be with him. Just keep him company. Maybe your company will make him well and get well soon and get back on his feet again. You know, go on him. While I hurry back to the hospital to look after the other person. I already told him about you, how nice you are and such a good companion you are. Because you will do it for me, eh?
Unafugo onye chi ya na-egbu ya gayanwu. Unafugo uche Chukwu n'ụwa anya ga-eme. Unafugo onye chi ya na-egbu ya gayanwu. Unafugo ife.
It was you. It was you. It was you in that car. It was you who made me miss my Prince Charming. You. You shall not die. You will rather live to fulfill God's purpose for you on earth. Wear this for me. My coat of many colors, as people often call it. There is more to it than just an ordinary dress. A special gift from my grandmother, filled with love, joy, protection, guidance, good fortunes, and anything good you may wish of it.
She made it as a present for my mother when she delivers. But then she died while giving birth to me. According to her, it was with her last strength and savings that she gathered pieces of clothes, which she used to sew this herself. Have you ever received a gift from your mother and she blessed it with tears flowing down her eyes? This is mine, from my grandmother. It doesn't come out all the time, but when it does, it's for a purpose. I make a wish of it, and it remains so. It has been working for me. I call it my biggest treasure. Wait. Wear it over your body. Then I can now sleep like a baby through the night, having in mind that you're safe and sound, and no evil shall befall you. Then when tomorrow comes, we'll go and see your brother at the hospital.
Shut up! Please what? Yeah? Utwacha? You hear what I said? I said leave! Leave before I charge you for break and entry. Go see some. If that was this, where was my house? Hey! Idiot!
Jamaican Jesus! This is a baptism of anointing for bringing so much pain to me already.
I'm supposed to go for me.
Idiot! What have you done? You had other places you could have passed. What happened to Rupeleke Junction? What happened to Amokwe Junction? I don't know. You decided to take my route. You decided to take the same route. Something I had planned already, Mama. You just shut up before I kill you, Nampala. Unwanted Malian. What are you doing here? What are you doing here? You will die. Mama, boy, you're killing him. Kill him. Please. Ow! Don't touch me. Because die. Mama, please.
Okadendo. Let's
Akane kunki mereme Iwe mezi ozo Oh Obi ojo No wana jaranja Akane kunki mereme Iwe mezi ozo
Ofunwa, tell me the lesson you learned from the story of the rich man and the poor village girl.
Grandma, I learned that we should be mindful the way we treat people we see on the road because no one knows tomorrow.
No one knows tomorrow.
I also learned that sometimes what we seek from in a very far place might be right there close to us, but we can only see when we have the eyes to see.
When we concentrate, when we pay attention to things around us. You're a smart little boy.
Thank you, Grandma. Yes. I'm going to buy you an aeroplane for the day man in the big man's land.
By then I will be so old or probably gone. I cannot get into the aeroplane with my walking stick.
No, Grandma. I know that my God will keep my beautiful grandma for me. He will make my grandma live long in Jesus' name.
Amen.
And I'll also buy you ununchi.
You buy me ununchi?
Yes.
Thank you, my son. Thank you. I love you.
I love you.
Where's that lunatic? Where's that lunatic? Where's that lunatic? I asked again.
Manzionia, which lunatic?
You think we don't know? Where's that lunatic of a stranger you are harboring here?
Stop looking around like you don't know what you're talking about. Where is he?
Look at him, the Jamaican Jesus.
Oh, no.
But you pretend you don't know.
Right? In our community. So what?
Huh?
But he's not a lunatic.
He's what? Huh? Oh, okay. You have been hiding him, pretending you don't know. How else can you describe a lunatic if not someone who has a mental disorder? Look at him. Look at his beard. Look at his hairs. Not shaved. Recently he goes about laying ambush, raping our girls in this community. Yes. And today, it was your sister Kwanwa he molested.
Oh. You cooked this up. What for? Akwanwa, why are you doing all this? I did not cook it up. I fried it up. Do you have a problem with that? It's not fair.
The elders in council do not want to start asking questions while his act of nuisance is in the open. Young man, you can no longer hold our daughter hostage. You have to leave this community at once.
Nayonya, he goes nowhere.
What?
I am a full and freeborn of this community. Yeah. And Obi here is my friend. Of what benefit is it sending a homeless man away? A man who has done nothing wrong, but live his life harmlessly as it comes. A man who is trying to meet and associate with new people so he could pick up pieces of his lives and start over again. What has he done wrong?
Whatever this young man has used to hold you down expires today. Use it.
Obi ojo, obi ojo, na jaranja. Akane kunki mereme, iwe mezi ozo. Oh, obi ojo, na jaranja. Akane bunki mereme, iwe mezi ozo. Bagareba, Jangareba, Onyane way Meregi. Abo Ginika Meregi. One more. Oh, Babankata, Tubelo, Iseme Janyane way Meregi. Abukinika meregi.
Mad people. Want everything.
Obi ojo, na jaranja. Akane kunki mereme, iwe mezi ozo.
What do you stand to gain? Life is indeed funny.
Hey! Onyala na name Semo. Onyala, Jamaican Jesus, the name proverb. Scatter everything. Nala.
Changareba, on your name, Mereki. Abo Ginica, Mereki. One more. Oh, Baba Nkata. Oh, my humble child. Oh, my precious child. Oh, oh, my humble child. Oh, my humble child. It's gonna be alright. It's gonna be okay. Just look to the sky. Make a wish. Oh, and the Lord of the universe will bring it to you as you wish. Could be tonight. Oh, yeah, but can never be denied. No. Just take a step, yeah, believe in yourself, oh, and the Lord of the universe will say you're true, my humble child.
I tried all I could in talking her into wearing the dress you got for her. But my effort was so aborted. She was so stubborn. And in her words, she said, my coat of many colors is worth more than any other dress put together in the world. I tried my best.
Kim.
Who are you? Who?
It's me. The Obi you know.
And we welcome the most distinguished, the most renowned, and the most wanted bachelor in town.
Man is good.
You can say that again. The only son of late Chief Justice of our dear country.
You are on point.
You can say that.
Right on.
A prospective governor in the making of the state. In the person of Dr. Ari Williams and his would-be wife. Welcome, Your Honor.
What changed about you? What changed about your decision when you were away? Am I not talking to somebody? Harry! What has come over you? What is wrong? What is this shame all about? What have they given to my son?
Nothing has come over me. I'm going out there to search for her. She is the woman of my dreams. She is that woman I intend spending the rest of my life with. Nothing can change it.
Hurry, you can't! Something is not right.
Oh yeah. Oh. Obi Ojo, no, Obi Ojo, no, na jaranja. Akane kunki mereme, ingwe mezi ozo.
Kem.
Oh, Obi Ojo, no, na jaranja. Akane bunki mereme, iwe bezi ozo. Bagareba, Jangareba, Onyane way meregi. Abo Ginika meregi. One more. Oh, Babankata.
Kim, I'm deeply sorry. Believe me when I say, I am sorry for faking my identity. Whatever I did for good. It was all born out of my quest to have a feel of the other side of life, which I never experienced all my life. The bitter side of life. I feel it to be useful to me when I assume office as the leader of the state. And then, along the line, I found true love. The one who will be there for me. The one who will love me for who I am, not because of my societal class. Don't be scared. It's me. It's Obi. The same Obi you know. We promised ourselves love. We promised to be there for the rest of our lives. Please. I'm sorry.
No. Even if my physical eyes were blinded today, that I could no longer recognize people, my heart can never be blinded not to recognize the only man who has occupied a vital position in here, in my heart. That's a man who has known nothing but sorrows all his life. The same man that feeds from hand to mouth. That young, innocent man whom the whole world decided to turn against. And I said to him, do not be afraid, for I'll stand by you until we make a new beginning. He is one honest man I know in my life. Not a liar. So I beg of you, stranger, just go away forever from my life. Never return, for we are worlds apart.
No.
Please.
No. Please. I'm sorry. Okay.
Do not ever look for me, because you'll never find me.
Okay.
Akane kunki mereme, ingwe mezi ozo.
Fear not, my daughter. Fear not. You are a child of grace. It's not a crime to have a kind heart. Our good deeds would never give us sleepless nights. Rather, it would bring us blessings. Sleep on, my child. Sleep on. Do not worry, my daughter. You have done nothing wrong, helping someone and saving a dying soul. It is one of the greatest acts of love. Ebesena. Ebesena. It is okay. Your goodness, you do not realize, has brought in a great blessing into our household. Someday, we shall reap that goodness. But we pray that you, Kiki, will keep us alive to enjoy the blessings. The journey, it's not going to be an easy one. But we pray that Chokike will make a way where there seems to be no way. Rapupawam. Rapupawam. Nene Udumala putamo Udu Nene o Udumala putamo Udu Udunji chubi na mamaro Udu awaru udu Udunji chubi na mamaro Udu awaru udu Abomu soludu Kabomu yaludu naba Soludu kabomu yaludu naba Nebo It's okay. Bedebezia.
Those were my exact words. I remember vividly. Yes. It was the same person that came, but in a different form. Hi! He came. You saw him, but you did not recognize him. You drove him away. Now you have lost him to another.
Hey! Please, Biko. Someone that is lost can still be found. Hey, please, Biko, help us. You were the one that saw everything and how it was going to happen. Now that the wind has blown him to the wrong direction, Biko, help us to bring him back to the right direction.
Let the wind blow him back.
Yes, Biko.
To the right direction. Biko. The rightful owner.
Oh.
Wind of destiny blew him your way. But you drove him away. Who knows? The wind might blow him back to you later in the future. But as it stands, the possibility is like the camel passing through the eye of a needle.
Biko, excuse my manner. The camel and the eye of a needle. Nya, anyịnya ibu n'ọnụ ntụtụ. Hey. Which means the rich man and the kingdom of God. Hey! Mbano, Biko. Hey. There was something you just said now. Biko. You said the possibility of the wind blowing him back to us in future. Yes, I heard it. Please, I believe you. It is possible. Biko, whatever you can, please help us. He has to come back. Biko, track him back to us. Biko, to avoid high blood pressure. Biko, oh please. Biko, I have a suggestion, please. If the wind is tired of blowing, Biko, let us look for ceiling fan. Biko, now everything so far is blowing. Biko, Utobu knows the way blow. O blow here, o blow here to us. Makano banje ya bakwanu. Alu ye me. Anyway, adakwa. He has to come back. He has to come back. Oh, I know you can do it. I'm a moneyable. You have power. I know you. In a fozo, you could not name me. Why would no? Oh, because what is possible? Because I know it's possible. Because Wetaka, no, please. In your go, because Nene, check it again. Because no, Ziano, oh, because no, zo. Bacha look on your 80s number. Because Ziano, oh, on your ma, no.
You want him by all means. They drag mouth up and down. They carry yourself like safe. Yet you no get packaging, no home training. Better think twice. I want him all around. Able receive your sorrow. I don't want to area. You're wrong, pride will never pay you. To avoid her dying at last. They like mother, like daughter, full of threats and violence, envy, hatred, desperate for money. Uchunu the choir to avoid losing completely. God will not be man.
Greetings, everyone. I came in search of Nkem Direm, the love of my life. Has anyone seen her? Pardon my manners. My name is Dr. Harry Williams of the Williams dynasty, the son of the late and former Chief Justice of this country, Dr. Alba Williams. By his grace, the next governor of the state. The name, I guess, must ring a bell. I am the same stranger you guys knew few days ago as Obi. You see, I never hid my true identity to make her feel bad, nor hurt anyone. Everything I did was for good. It was born out of the quest from an unusual young man who has experienced only but one side of life all his life, the brighter side of life. A young man born with silver spoon, celebrated every minute of his life. But then, he is destined to lead the masses, made up of both rich and poor, young and old, healthy and unhealthy ones, men from all walks of life, learned and non-learned, the sick and the healthy ones from all walks of life. A young man who has never experienced true love. All the women that come around him are there for what they stand to gain at the moment. And then this young man got tired of everything and decided to embark on that journey. The journey to seek for true love. The journey to seek for that woman that brings peace of mind to his soul. And luckily, he found her in Kemdirim. And Kemdirim is that woman that I have prayed to God all my life to give me. She is that woman my soul yearns for. She is that woman my soul is at peace with. She is that solution to my quest. The one who has shown me that there are several definitions of love. But there is one true definition of love. The one I intend making my wife. Has anyone seen her?
Yes, sir. No, sir. She packed all her belongings and left this house since yesterday. To only God knows where. I don't know. This is how she behaves. Sometimes she behaves like someone that is sick in the head. Only lose guard anyhow. You know her late mother had traces of madness before she finally died. I think she took after her late mother. All the Nobala. Since yesterday. What do you?
Any idea where and how I can locate her?
No. Mbano, not at all. The truth is she has gone forever. Gone for good.
I shall go from one end of the earth to another in search of her. I am going to make her my wife. It's either her or no one else.
Obi ojo, Obi ojo, Akane kunki mereme, Iwe mezi ozo. Oh, Obi ojo, no anajaranja. Akane kunki mereme, Iwe mezi ozo. Bagareba, Jangareba, Onyane way, Meregi. Abo Ginika Meregi. One more. Oh.
No amount of sorry can make up for the expensive string I pulled. But I still say, I'm sorry. I'm deeply sorry. Yes, I lied. But I need you to know that Behind this liar is a sincere man who seeks nothing but sincerity and true love. And that I found in you. In this whole world, your type is just one, and that is you and you alone. You are a rare gem, Nkem. You are one in a million. You have touched me. You've touched me in places and ways I cannot explain. It will be a crime to my soul if I ever let you go. Allow us to continue this journey together. You deserve the very best, and that I'm ready to give to you. I love you so much, Nkem. I'm ready to stand by you till eternity. But I want you to promise me one thing. Promise me that you will never let me go. Promise me that you will stand by me forever.
Promise to love you now and forever. Him for me. I need you to leave him for me, my beloved sister. This is all I ask you to do. Nkem, you know this is the only man I have ever wanted in my life. My entire life. I know I have made mistakes. Grievous mistakes. But trust me, I want to correct them. I want to make amends. But again, I need you to help me. I need you to help me correct these mistakes. You know this is the man I have been preparing myself for all my life. But I know I sent him away with those mistakes I made. I love this man. He is the air I breathe. He is everything to me. Please, all I need you to do is just send him away. Whenever he comes close to you, tell him you don't love him. Tell him you have no feelings whatsoever for him. Tell him that I want to be with him. Tell him I'm the one who loves him. I'm the one who cares about him. Tell him I want to spend the rest of my life with him. I want him for myself. I want to be his wife. I love him. I love him so much. Please just do this for me. Whatever you want, anything you want me to do, just ask and I'll do it. Anything. Please, Kim. Just anything. Just tell me and I will do it. I just want him. I just want him again. He is my life. I would die if I can't have him to myself. And I know you wouldn't want that to happen to your sister. Please. Kim, please. Please. Please, Kim. Kim, please.
Hold down. He can run. Oh! Now, Biko. You don't want me to curse you, please. An old woman, if you threaten her, she might curse you. Hey. Please don't shoot me, please. Hey. What is it? What have we done?
And the target?
Taken care of. Virus and Ham already went after her.
Did you send them? This woman. Fine woman. Now let's get up. Hey, why?
Remain.
Okay.
Remain there.
Right. Don't say anything. Go. There's nothing here. There's nothing here. Okay.
Burn this thing down.
What? What's a bomb?
Not even a single thing will remain. Let the dead remain buried.
Alive, please. We are not dead. No, we are not dead. I know. Oh, madam, I didn't know. We are not dead yet. Hey, madam, we are alive. Hi.
Don Dilma. I have sent her to an everlasting holiday with the Lucifer.
Chapter closed.
nkata tubelo iseme jonyene we ya meregi
Chalo mambo laba turn off the fire. Let me go turn off the fire. Fire stop. Tell the fire to stop. Fire stop. Jaja Jiba. Jiba Kuwanumo.
Obiajo, na joka kwanwe. Akane kungi mereme. Iwe bese na sanwe. Bogareba, Chayareba, on your name we yo meregi. I'm a kidney come meregi.
What is this Nkem? Or rather, who is this Nkem? I've been practicing for some years now, taking care of patients, especially those in coma. And I must say, this is one of the very unusual cases I've come across. Not responding to treatment is a cause to worry. Nevertheless, I have done some series of examinations, and this could be intracranial, event occurring within the skull, and this includes infection, hemorrhage, brain tumor, and so on, and could as well be extracranial, coming from an external event, which reduces oxygen or blood flow to the brain. And some others could be psychiatric induced, mental disorders, which include depression and catatonia.
Dr. Steph, you're one of the best doctors in the country. Reasons I employed your services. You see all this you talked about? I don't understand it. I am not into medical, so I don't understand your medical terms. All I need is a situation, condition, anyhow, anything you could do to get my son off that condition. My son could not recognize my presence anymore. He neither talks nor eat or do anything on his own. You see, doctor, I am scared. Is this how he is going to continue? What are your findings? Because all these terms you are putting up here, I'm off. I don't get it. Do you?
I think your son must have landed in the last category of my analysis. Yes, I've had cases like that recently when the patient was totally off for days because of emotional trauma and was only revived with the presence of the partner, a soul connection. No, I'm not really saying this is the actual case here, but I think there's something about this name, Nkem. The only word that ever escaped his lips thrice amidst his unconsciousness. When I heard it first, I thought I was not really sure about it. Not until today. He repeated it twice. And I asked, what is this Nkem? Or who is this Nkem? If it's a person, does anyone know where we can get this person? or rather bring the person down to him. Who knows? It could be a gateway to his recovery. Since there's no improvement in his health condition yet, the earlier the better.
I shot myself in the leg. I ordered her killing. That young maiden called Nkem. Whatever I did for him. Whatever I did for your brother. My son. I wanted the best for him. I thought I was doing the right thing for him. Little did I know that I would be shot in the leg with which I walk.
I want to make you a promise, Mom. If anything should happen to my brother, Harry, if anything should happen to him, Mom, I will never ever forgive you. I will never forgive you for that, Mom.
Oh, when your heart was in jail. Oh, can you marry the war? Oh, boy, can you measure? God of the poor.
What I saw. She's alive. Yes, she is, Mother. And to confirm it all, she ran as soon as she saw me. I'm sure what I saw. I saw her, of course.
What happened with the last assignment?
Nobody in my office right now. I spilled out. This has spilled out life. Is it best known to me? No waste of time coming after me. Just a little pain.
Thank you. Thank you for this which you've done for me. Thank you so much.
Please. Please don't shoot me, please. Hey.
May the ground which I stand haunt me for the rest of my life, if I ever harm you. A good people like you deserve every good thing in life. You might not remember me, but I do. You saved my life years back, when some youth tried to kill me, when I stole some items from a neighboring community, thereby for giving me another chance to live. I consider that as a big race for a woman like you to take. I stopped this life not until your picture was brought. I accepted the job, not because I wanted to kill you, but because I want to save you. I will make them believe you are dead. But you have to do me a favor. Leave this community.
Ijiza chaya kibwe the way.
What have we done? What have we done to deserve all these pains and sorrows? Maybe it's truly a crime to love wholeheartedly.
No. Do not say that again. It shall all come to pass.
When? When, Kembo? Maybe I should have listened. I should have listened when he instructed I leave the community.
You are going nowhere. You are safe here in my parents' house. Yes. This is your house. There shall be no more bad news. And if any news should come, it must be a good news.
No! Tell them I am not for sale. Tell your mother, yourself, and any other person that is involved that Nkemdilim is not for sale and will never be bought with your words nor anything you have to offer. All of a sudden, Nkemdilim is now important. She's important because her son is dying. And the specialists have suggested she looks for the girl which he keeps calling her name amidst his unconsciousness. Maybe she could be a gateway to his healing, since he's not responding to medical treatment. And she sent you. she sent you to me. The same person she rejected. The same person she thought nothing good could ever come out from. The same person she rendered homeless. My grandmother is lying critically ill, all because of the Williams. Tell me, what was my offense? Tell me, maybe I could apologize. My only offense was loving her son. Loving him wholeheartedly. Loving him irrespective of the repercussion I was going to face. Tell your mother I am not available. Now go. Go and never return.
God of the poor, yeah.
And don't you ever come back here looking for me, cause you never find me.
We are going through the tears in our eyes. When will it be over? Will it be over? Someday, is this our destiny? Come heal our destiny. Ofunwamu, ofunwamu, ofunwanjemano. Obugini kanyi merowa, obonye kanyi mejoro, obonye kanyi mejoro. Ofunwamu, ofunwamu, ofunwanjemano. Abonye kanyi measure no. Abogini kanyi mere. Obi abawamu. Obi elewamu. Abonye kanyi measure no.
Mama, you're still awake. You are worried. Your soul is troubled. And I know why. It is because of the big man in the big man's land. Yes, Mama. The big man in the big man's land is in trouble. He needs your help. Or are you going to turn your back on him? Remember what Grandma said. It is a privilege for you to find yourself in a position to help someone. The more we help people, the more we help ourselves. That's what Grandma said. Grandma does not lie and can never lie, can she? I plead with you, Mama. Do not change you who you are because of the wrong other people has done to you. A heart that seeks upliftment cannot pay evil with evil. That's what Grandma said. A touch from you could mean a lot. And a word from you could also mean a lot to him too. It could heal his soul and heal yours as well. Mama, this might be the chance. Trying us to be the big man that we have always dreamt of. Mama, if not for anything, but please do it for your only son, whom you love. Please. Mama, please don't miss this chance.
Just look to the sky. make a wish. Oh, and the Lord of the universe will bring it to you as you wish. Just say a prayer tonight, no. Ijiza chaya kibwe. The wages of sin is death, but the reward to the righteous is everlasting joy. Oh, so which have you chosen? Oh, destiny.
What will be, will be. What will be, will be. Although it might take long, but that's
in so many ways, our Maker teaches us. In so many ways, we learn. No one fights the destiny he never created, because what will be, will be. Come. Come, my dear.
Ma?
Come sit with me.
What will be, will be. What will be, will be. Although it might take long, but destiny no they lie. Destiny has.
You've secured a place in my heart, my daughter. I need no soothsayer to tell me that you and my son are made for each other. Come. From the innermost sanctuary of my heart, I consent to the union between you and my son. Give me a hug.
What will be, will be. Oh, although it might take long, but destiny no they lie. Destiny has a voice. It speaks so loud and clear. So onye weru cheka water, the movements of destiny. Come what may.
The storm is finally over.
Oh yes, it is. The storm is indeed over.
I must apologize for everything I put you through.
No. Say no more. I am supposed to be the one apologizing to you.
You are such a beautiful soul.
And I'm so happy to have you in my life.
So, about your people. I'm thinking tomorrow will be fine to come make official introduction, or maybe next tomorrow. So I'm telling you now for you to make preparations and also tell them to get ready, because Harry is coming to marry you.
That will be fine, but there is something I needed to tell you. It's about my sister.
Your sister?
Yes.
Well, whatever it is, okay? I don't want something that's gonna put us off this beautiful moment we're having together. So if you ask me, I will say we'll leave that for next time. Okay?
Obim, it's something you need to...
Don't worry. No. I insist. I think I have a clear picture of what it is. It's about the past. You must leave the past to worry about itself. We are here today, planning for tomorrow. And that is all that matters. I love you, Nkem.
I love you, Obim.
I have come to make my marriage proposal to her official. Nkem the ring I meant. Yeah, so I'm going to come with my people for us to, commence with the necessary.
Deep down within us, we are all so excited already, but we must not forget tradition. Let us call our daughter and Kendall to confirm if this young man is at the right place.
Right. My daughter, you are there. Come forward. Stop peeping, eh? Come, my dear, come. Come.
Our daughter, this young man here has indicated interest in you. He has come to ask for your hand in marriage. Do we accept this drink from him?
Yes, uncle. I will marry him.
Hey, Odoguna, no, you are at the right place, yeah? And we are happy to have somebody like you as an in-law.
Well, I must thank you for the hospitality, and I'm glad to be in this family. Kemdirim is a national treasure and must be treated with care. She's a virtuous woman. She's kind-hearted. She's hardworking. She's a beautiful soul, in and out. And of course, every noble man will love to have her. Just that I'm wondering why the sudden tuberculosis. I hope you're free from that, though.
No, it's just ordinary cough.
Oh, ordinary cough.
Yes, please.
Sorry about that, my girl. Okay, so I will come with my people in due time to commence with the marriage preparations. Huh?
That is good, yeah. Welcome. Welcome.
It's quite funny that everyone is having tuberculosis.
Thank God you're here. They want to kill me. I don't know who they are. I mean, let's go. I want them. What are you doing?
I'm sorry. No one, not even myself, can stop me from achieving my age-long dream. But you came out of nowhere, just like that, to snatch everything I have yearned for. The man I have craved for all my life. No, you won't stop me.
Oh, Kwamwa, you don't, please, don't do this. Oh, because they are because they are. What are you doing?
No! It's my boy.
He's not safe. Let's get him. He might be a spy. Go after him.
God of the poor, yeah. Tell me you can see the pain we are going through, the tears in our eyes. When will it be over? Will it be over someday? Is this our destiny? Come heal our destiny. Ofunwamu, ofunwamu, ofunwanchemanu. Obukini kanyi meru wamwamu. Abonye kanyi megidere.
Serves you right, little brats. You deserve more bullets to die more. You think you can run, but you cannot hide from your shadow.
Abonye kanyi megidere. Abukini kanyi mere. Abogini kanyi merenu, abogini kanyi mere, anye meralo, obanya abozenja, abogini kanyi merenu, abanya kanyi mejoro.
Nkem, what are you doing on the floor? Nkem, what are you doing on the ground? Nkem, what is the meaning of this now? Nkem, what happened to you? Hey, hey, Nkem, wake up! Wake up! Nkem! Hey! Hey! Somebody help! Somebody help! Hey! Nkem! Nkem! Hey! Nkem! Hey! Somebody help her! Somebody help her!
Ofunwanchemanu. Obukini kanyi meru wamwamu.
Please go. Okay, Campbell. Please. Okay, Campbell. What did I do to deserve this? Listen, isn't it? Listen, I have Obaka fresh Obaka. Tell him to wake up.
I don't know anything about the death of those two.
You don't? Then who did? Who killed them?
That I will find out. Soon. I don't know anything about the death of those two. I apologize to you once again, son. I apologize for all the emotional pain I must have put you through all along. I know you can hear me. I want you to know that whatever it is that is going on now, your mother has no hand in it. Your happiness is my priority. It is high time you stood on your feet and pick your pieces. We already conquered. Yes, we have. This is a very wrong timing. You need to move on. You must. What lies ahead of us is bigger and more challenging a task. Reason, you must move on. Never allow emotions to drain you, else we'll lose it all. Always remember that I love you. Mama, I am scared. And I'm confused at the same time. I'm confused, Mama.
You're scared. You're confused. What is confusing you?
Everything. Everything, Mama. My sister is dead. I thought by now my Prince Charming will be crawling to me, wanting to have me, Mama. But from the way things are going, reverse is the case. The whole time I have visited there, Mama, for once he has never spoke to me. He has not even looked me in the face. The young man acts like I don't even exist.
Okay. Is that what is confusing you?
Mama, that is enough reason to get me concerned. Don't you think?
In fact, this is the best time for you to be happy. Yes. You remember what the mother told us when she came for condolence visit?
I do.
That we are now the same family with them.
I remember, Mama.
And that we can call or visit them anytime we like.
I do.
That is the gateway for us. No. Listen, the kingdom of God, they say, suffered violence. And it is only the violent that take it by force. This is the time for us to take what rightfully belongs to us. By fire, by thunder, by force.
Mama, how do you intend to do that? How? I just told you that he doesn't even talk to me at all.
Don't worry. Don't worry. Trust me. I'm your mother. Am I not? Akwangwam. Mama. I'm still your mother. Mbo kwesile. Nemi ve kwesile kwesi. Nuzo kwesile kwesi. Odaliwe jenga. Mbano, trust me on this. I will not allow anybody to put us to shame in this village. So you will do me a favor. You will go inside. Take a glass of water. Breathe in and out. Then you come out here. Kai tako isi. Kai peko. Oh?
Mama. Kai periya kita. Let's do it now. You don't understand. That man doesn't even look at me one bit. He doesn't even act like I am somewhere around the house.
Calm down. He doesn't have a choice. He will look at you. By today's bread, he will look at you. Onem, you need water in your system. What is very important in a time like this. Oh no. Now go inside. Ebezina. I hate to see these tears. Oh, Ebezina. Ebezina.
Nkem bia bolumo.
How cruel. How unfair life could be. A world where good people suffer the most. A world where good people die for doing nothing. Days gone, night came and passed, yet her memories still remain. Your sister left and took away my soul with her. And I find it difficult to pick up the pieces of my life. The memories of your sister is still evergreen to me. Not sure if it's a sign of weakness, not strength. But one thing I know for sure. It would be a crime for me to let her memories go like that. It would be a crime for me. So I ask. I feel you being in my life will keep so many memories of your late sister. I feel you being in my life will make me feel like I'm part of the family. Please. Marry me. Marry me and make that feeling last forever.
Ise, I'm sorry. What did you say? I didn't hear you clearly. What did you say?
Well, maybe I was too fast.
No. Sorry. I mean, I just feel it would be a backstab to my sister if I say yes. That's why I said
Okay, it's all right. I will just allow you to think.
No. I don't want to think about it. Yes, I'll marry you. What I said before was a mistake. I'll marry you. I'm sorry. I'm just confused. Yes, I'll marry you. Yes, I'll marry you. I coated my nails. It's not rough, so the ring will fit perfectly. It's my size. But no. This one.
I know it's this.
No. This. Put it here. Jesus. I love it. Oh my God.
This is easy. Easy.
Jesus. Oh my God. Jesus.
Mama, break it down! Break it down! Oh my God, what has happened? It has happened, no, Mama! Calm down.
No more fuma, no, Mama, no more fuma. Is there nothing different in my body?
I noticed something. When you were coming, the way you were bouncing.
I was bouncing.
All the increase.
Mama, look at this.
Engagement ring.
His Excellency, the next governor of this reputable state, asked me to be his wife. Mama, I almost ran mad. I almost ran mad. They said they wanted to come and drop me back in Samba because I was acting like a mad woman. I needed to be alone to comport myself together. Mama,
I hope I can.
My dreams are coming true.
My dreams are coming true. Mama, you will survive it though.
Mama, you just told me something. Mama, engagement ring.
I've been engaged.
I knew it. I knew that someday you will make me proud. Lezianum, onye kambu. Akwe for destiny. Akalaka. Blessed I conceived you.
You know the sweetest part of
to go down.
He said we should start preparing. We don't want to waste of time. In here sharp. Now.
Now the list.
Yes, I the list. Mama, I the list. I saw the day list 1 billion. Or the next governor, you foot it. Mama!
They come.
Mama! You know the layoff.
Drop what is
Mama, but name the breakdown.
The normal is Sammy.
Break it down. Mama! Hey! Mama!
By today's bread.
Mama!
I
will not have my bath
because
tonight. I won't take my bath tonight. Hey! Mama, as from today,
yes,
this is my movement.
Yes.
So when
and if you Mama,
hey,
my today's bread.
Mommy.
Hey.
Mommy.
Behold.
Hey.
The movement of the blessed people.
Oh.
I am poor.
Mama.
Ogbenye ọbụzi njọ ọ bụ gịnị ka anyị mere n'ụwa ọ bụ ihe ka anyị mejọrọ God of the poor, yeah, tell me you can see the pain we are going through, the tears in our eyes. merenu Abo gini kanyi merenu Anye meralo Obenye hobozinjo
Are you okay?
Sure. Just that this dress reminds me of something.
And what could that be?
The young maiden Sahari had brought home the day we were all waiting for him to present his wife. She was something like this. She is late, but her corpse is nowhere to be found.
So what are you driving at?
Could this be us? Who is the owner of this dress? Who is the owner of that dress? Have you seen her?
Echidime, tomorrow has a lot to say. Echezokwana, ebisibia. Echidime, tomorrow has a lot to say. Echezokwana, onyibonwa. Do not forget your what? Do not forget who you are. Echezokwana etwisibido. Don't forget you are priceless. Do not forget where you come from. Makana tomorrow holds a lot for you. Never stop doing good. Maintain your integrity, loyalty and honesty pay. Echidime, tomorrow has a lot to say. Echezokwana, ebisibia. Wherever you go, maraponi bunwa. Echezokwana, onyibunwa. Echidime, tomorrow has a lot to say. Echezokwana, ebisibia. Echiebuka, tomorrow has a lot to say. Echezokwana, onyibunwa. Sometimes what you seek to have from afar might be so close to you. Remain who you are and never stop being kind.
No one stands in the way of destiny. No one. And when God says yes, no one. Not me, not you, not your pastor, not your president, not even your doctor can say no. When God shuts a door, no man can open it. And when he opens the door,
No man can close it. You thought she was dead. But then, God is the greatest. You shot at your blood sister. How wicked can you be? You shot her hoping to marry me. But I'm not daft. I am not stupid to have something or anything to do with a desperate muggle like you.
Hey.
How wicked can you be? And if you must know, we were already aware of all this before the proposal. You know, waiting for the D-Day. Today I want to appreciate my very good friend, turned brother. Please come. He's a deaf and dumb, but God used him to do a marvelous work. And I'm forever indebted to him. Thank you. And I want to assure every one of us that this ceremony will still continue, because I am the happiest man on earth today. Today, I am getting married to the woman of my dreams. My world. The most kind-hearted woman I have ever seen. Beautiful.
Excuse. Nah. Wakoma. Biko. Biko. Oh, Biko. Oh, nah. Biko, don't fall my hands. Oh, Biko. I know you're a Christian. I know you're a replica of Christ. Biko, what is your bitch like? Why are you enjoying? Biko, oh, nam. It's remaining small, Biko. Biko, Kabanya, just another drink. You just need to sip, oh?
Okay.
Biko.
The right person to take the drink is almost here. Okay? She will give the drink to someone. Just hold on. Oh.
You are under arrest for the murder of one Mr. Ufuma and attempted murder of Mrs. Ntin. You have every right to remain silent. Whatever you say may be used against you in law court.
Let me explain something. Very, very important. Listen, there's a mix-up here. You said something about court. Akwam! Hey! Atom! Timo! Alwe menumo! Hey! Akwam! Akwam mamia! Hey! Akwam! Hey! Timo! Timo! Akide otobiano! Akwam akuwano! Akwam! 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 Arabo dobiano! Akwam akuwa! Akwam akuwano! Biko, mommy,
Oh, destiny. Oh, destiny. Could be delayed, but can never be denied, no. Denied, no. Oh, destiny. Oh, destiny. Could be delayed, but can never be denied, no. Denied, no.
We never kept this away to hurt you or any member of this family. Whatever we did it for good. We thought of informing you as soon as the whole truth came out in the open. But on a second thought, we decided to keep everything on a low for the sole purpose of maximum security and as well as achieve all that we have planned for it. It was for good. Once again, we say sorry for whatever pain we might have made this family go through, directly or indirectly. We are sorry.
Oh, destiny. Oh, destiny. Could be delayed, but can never be denied, no. Denied, no. Abonye kanyi measure and abokene kanyi mirror. Obi abawa muwa, obi elewa muwa. Abonye kanyi measure and abonye kanyi measure and you went with one way. Oh, yeah, but one way. I want you, can you measure a new? I won't get it, can you measure?
Kendall, where is she? Kendall, Kendall, Kendall,
Ofungwam chemanoe. Abonye kanyi measure and abokene kanyi mirror. Obi abawa muwa, obi elewa muwa. Abonye kanyi measure and yeah, can you measure a new? You went in with one way. Oh, yeah, but
Thank you so much for believing in me. Thank you for bringing out the best in me. Thank you for making me realize I can do it. From the lowest point of vicinity, you brought me to
my
the...
love, it's okay, alright? It's okay. I want you to know that where we are today was never by our power, nor our might, but by the special grace of God who has brought us this far. In His sight, no human is lesser human than the other. And that is how it's supposed to be amongst us. A government where a child of nobody will become somebody without knowing anybody. That is what I intend to run. And I believe that kind of government has finally come to stay. So tell me, did you speak to Granny about coming to live with us?
Oh, that one. I think I wasted my time trying to convince her.
What happened?
In her words, she said, "Take me out of here, you take me out of nature. Take me out of nature, you take me out of life." I'm sure you know what that means.
Yeah, I understand. I believe.
Honestly, I'm not ready to lose her anytime soon.
Well, I believe with time, she will get used to it.
I hope so.
Or better still, we could bring Project 7 to the village. You know, I'm thinking of pipe-borne water, you know, good hospital system, and of course, good roads and profitable mansion for her. So if she chooses to stay in the village, that's fine. If she wants to live with us, that's also fine. Or if she wants to shuffle the both, that's excellent.
Perfect.
Just like you.
I don't know how else to thank you. Thank you so much.
Guess what? When I told her we'll be leaving in 2 days to the States by an aeroplane, just guess what she did? She said she's going to stay awake all day just to hear the sound of the plane. Then she will come out and wave us goodbye. I mean, who does that?
Old is epic. Old is gold. May we live to see our children.
Amen.
And together, we will make it happen. Together, we will make this world a better place. You are so beautiful, Your Excellency.
And you're so handsome, His Excellency. That's why I love you.
I love you.
I love you so much.
What will be, will be. What will be, will be. Oh, although it might take long, but destiny no dey lie. Destiny.
My heart is full of joy. And I did not know when I fell. See the aeroplane. That is my daughter Nkendelim. Nkendelim and dear her husband, they are traveling to Obodo Oyibo. Hey, bye bye. Sorry for favor. Bye.
bye no. Salute Febe. What makes you think they are the ones in that aeroplane? It could be some other people. No,
Look at my clock. See the time, 11 o'clock. Take it and look at it.
She told me that their plane will leave by 11. Bye-bye no. Okay, plane no one akusi. Megwanya, plane no one akusi. Next clock come here. Chai, bia doni. Oh, keke sie kunyeba. Ofo kaki jado.
What will be will be. What will be will be. Although it might take long, but destiny no they lie. Destiny has a voice. It speaks so loud and clear. So onye weru cheka wata the movements of destiny. Come what may, iye chukwu kwuru gemeriri. What will be will be. What will be will be. No one can stop destiny. What will be will be. No one can ever challenge God. What will be will be. Whatever He says must stand. What will be will be. What will be will be. What will be.